So the other way that if the life pie isn't working for as a transitional tool, if it just feels like, there are a couple other tools that I use to get myself grounded and back on track. And one is morning pages. Not for everyone, but highly beneficial for anyone who does them. Basically, morning pages is not taking your pen off the paper and writing continuously for 3 pages. When I say stream of consciousness, I don't like that because people have an idea of what that seems to be like, but that's how they're defined, is like writing a stream of consciousness. You can write, the stove is dirty, I need to clean the stove. The stove is dirty, I need to clean the stove, like 1,000,000 times, and that counts. It's whatever is on your mind or whatever is running around the hamster wheel in your head. Pretty much guarantee always have a breakthrough within the 3 weeks of doing those. Like one sentence, and then all of a sudden you're just like, baha, yeah, that's it. That's the ticket. That's the next place I'm headed, or something. But even if you don't have a breakthrough, you will have cleared your head of a lot of garbage that takes up a lot of space. So morning pages is one. The other one is our creative commitments. I've created 1,000,000 of these, not 1,000,000, but so many I can't even count. And basically it's a curriculum that keeps me focused, and helps mark the time for me, like mark a transition of time. What made me think of creative commitments is one came up on my memories yesterday, so I posted it to my stories. It was just a way to reflect on summer and prepare for fall. It was the six days was, I think, or 6 prompts for 6 days. Creative commitments can be super easy, and they can be more challenging. You know, they can be like a 30-minute commitment every day, or they can be just something that you, like for instance, I had a prompt and I took a photo. I had a prompt in my head every day, and then I looked at the world differently, every day, because I had this prompt in my head and I took a photo of something that reminded me of that prompt. It makes, when I have creative commitments, I show up differently. I kind of show up excited to discover what's going to appear, because there's no pressure. It's just, a creative commitment isn't something that I produce. It's something that I do just for me. So it's like, for me, it's a playful activity. It's a way that I can show up. It's a way that I mark time and keep a focus. And then all of a sudden, voila, I'm back on track. It really, I'm not kidding. Otherwise, I wouldn't keep developing them. I've developed so many. And some of them I share with all of you, and I'm happy to share again. But I do know there's one in my stories that you can look at. Okay, that's week 6. And I'm walking. Bye. This is a PS, a very important PS. I know that there are some of you who are thinking, I'm going to do all of them. I'm going to have a log, I'm going to do morning pages, and I'm going to do a creative commitment. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. Pick one and do it as best you can. And then you can do the other one. I could go into so many reasons why it isn't a good idea to do that. Pick the one that you felt lifted by for a second. I could do that. Please don't do all three. If you want to know why, you can message me. Okay, bye.